In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add context to your workflow with the form on HubSpot page. So in order to do that, what we can do right here is you first need to head over and go to your HubSpot. So in here, you just need to create and open a form. You can do this by going over to marketing and then locating the forms right there. So head over and then click on it right here. So just wait for this. Now just choose right here the form that you wish to use and add to HubSpot page. So for example, let's just right here this one. You can click on the actions option and you can actually go over and share this form. So click on share option, click on embed code, and we have in here this. Just copy it. Once you have it copied, head over right here to your content and then choose right here your website page that you wish to add this form with. Now we have in here this, click on this plus icon and then locate the option for HTML and make sure to add right here that actual page. Once you have added, you just need to head over and then make sure to actually automate the workflow. So you can find workflows right over in here, and this way you have the option to actually add that and then open a contact-based workflow for it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out. So if you have any questions or haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your appropriate link on the description below. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.